Hey everyone, thanks for tuning in to Arizona Dreams. Today we're going to Tempe Marketplace. Why? Because people had asked, what do you do to entertain yourself and your kids? Today they're having a bubble-a-thon, if you will. And Tempe Marketplace is pretty cool because it does quite a few things. They've got a splash pad here. They've done chalk art where the kids can grab chalk and draw all over, and then they bring artists in to draw. So join us while we check out Tempe Marketplace, and thanks for tuning in. If you're not familiar, Tempe Marketplace is a collection of markets, but also of restaurants, and they actually have a little concert center too that they do free concerts on the weekends as well during the summer. One of the things that we talk about in several videos and talking about staying cool are the misters. Any place that has an outdoor exposure where a lot of people will be trafficking, either sitting to eat or whatever, you're going to see these things, and that's what misters are, spraying out mists of water to cool you off, and it's nice cold water. Two things that we wanted to draw your attention to is, one, notice light shade. There's a lot of shade structures in here because it is so hot during the summertime. And two, there's a splash pad I was talking about, and you can see all the kids are up there playing, and there's a nice big bubble machine going. We're gonna go let the kids have a little fun and run around. I wanted to draw attention to these big bubbles down here that they're making. You can see them with the sticks and strings. Why am I drawing attention to that? Because my lovely daughter has a channel called Leah's World. And they actually did that on their channel. So kind of cool to see it. And they make huge bubbles. One of the cool things that they often do here is they let you give the kids free stuff. These are wands for blowing bubbles. Cool?
I need 5 dads. Now just the dads, no kids, no mom. Just leave your dad. Dad is green, you can't run. Go get him, girl, go get him. Alright, so dad, you're going to go first. Come in the center of the stage. Go.
What's all the way over there? Oh my god. Leah, stay with Yaya. There's a lot of people here.
Well, Mom, you want him in that or not? All right.
tell them, what is your child's favorite food? Who loves Chinese food out there? I love Chinese food. Who loves Mexican food? Y'all, I love me a good burrito.
We're wrapping up the day. We had some really good bubble fun. The boys got to play in a pile of bubbles this time, and now they're finishing it up on a splash pad. You've heard me mention splash pads many times. It's a great way to cool off if you can't get to a pool. Just looking around, you can see we're one piece of it, and you've got a Korean barbecue, you've got Barnes & Noble, you've got Thirsty Lion, which is a bar and pub. There's a couple restaurants over that way, so there's a lot of choices, a lot of options. There's a straight barbecue joint that kind of sits out by itself, and there's shops over there. There's a Target and some other things like that. And there's little smaller shops in throughout here, so definitely worth a trip. Oh, and I forgot about Kabuki's Japanese restaurant. Pretty good Japanese restaurant. I can tell you that my company comes here to this center fairly regularly, every quarter maybe, for their happy hour events where we try to get all the company together. And you get free samples. Turn around, guys. Show them what you got. Yeah, free frozen yogurt. Can't beat that. And it's chocolate. Yeah. Well, there you have it, folks. Tempe Marketplace. As I said, there's lots of great places like Mod Pizza. But check out Tempe Marketplace. They have a website. You can see all their shops and everything. I hope you enjoyed the video. As usual, subscribe, share, like, comments down below, and check back for the next video. Anyways, take care. Yeah, buddy.